Teens and electronic media, a dangerous combination. Electronic media can be very useful research tools for students, giving them all the information they need at the push of a button. However, they can cause a student's grades to drop. Spending many hours in front of a screen for entertainment purposes means that you spend less time studying and doing your schoolwork. Another serious problem of electronic media abuse is a social one. Since you spend so much time watching TV, surfing the net, reading magazines, or playing computer games, you are wasting valuable time you can spend with your friends and family. Electronic media are a great way to keep in touch with friends and family who live far away. Still, they cannot replace the benefits of communicating with people in the real world. Tips on using electronic media safely. 1. Set a time limit. Give yourself about 1 to 2 hours a day to use any type of electronic media you want for entertainment. 2. Never do your homework or study while you're using electronic media. 3. Don't use electronic media in your bedroom. Keep all sources in the living room and out of your bedroom. 4. Take a break to stretch out your muscles after an hour of sitting. Also, after your time is up, do some kind of activity that will exercise your body and your mind. 5. Remember that not everything you read on the internet is true. People are not always who they say they are, and teens often make bad decisions about the things they share. Think carefully before you type or post. You can't take it back, and it can cause a lot of harm.